Next, we are going to discuss kinds of non-finite words. First, we will talk about first form of the word. Let us see some examples. First sentence: I saw him enter the room. Second sentence: it makes us laugh. Third sentence: she heard them. Shout. She heard them shout. Enter, laugh, and shout. These all are first form of the verb. So वही जो पहले हमने फर्स्ट रूल जो था पढ़ा था, वो फर्स्ट रूल क्या था कि अगर कोई वर्ब सब्जेक्ट के बाद आती है दैट विल बी कॉल्ड फाइनाइट वर्ब. अगर कोई वर्ब सब्जेक्ट के पीछे की जगह को छोड़कर किसी और जगह सेंटेंस में आती है फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब. सेकेंड रूल क्या था? whenever the verb that changes according to tense and time, that is called finite verb. A verb that doesn't change according to tense and time, that is called non-finite verb. Third rule was a verb that changes according to the change of subject, that is finite verb. Whenever the verb doesn't change according to the subject, that is non-finite verb. So here enter, laugh, and shout are first form of the verb. So first form of the verb is called infinitive. Infinitive. Or we can say bare infinitive. Now look at second type of first form of the verb, that is to plus first form of the verb. Look at some sentences. I want to go home now. I want to go home now. She is dying to come here. Third, they are eager to see the result. In the first sentence, to go. In the second sentence, to come. In the third sentence, to see. तो वही थ्री कंडीशन इन पर भी लागू होती हैं कि जो सब्जेक्ट के बाद की जगह को छोड़कर किसी जो और जगह आएगी वो होगी नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब. जो टेंस और टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं चेंज होगी दैट विल बी कॉल्ड नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब. जो सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज नहीं होगी दैट विल बी कॉल्ड नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब. सो दिस फॉर्म इज टू प्लस first form of the verb and its name is to infinitive. first type of or first kind of non-finite verb is infinitive. Now, infinitive has two types, bare infinitive and to infinitive. Any first form of the verb proceeding to is called to infinitive. कोई भी फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब जिसके आगे टू लगा हो उसे कहते हैं टू इन्फिनिटिव। जो टू के बिना हो, बेयर का मीनिंग है बिना, जो टू के बिना हो उसे कहते हैं बेयर इन्फिनिटिव। सो फर्स्ट टाइप नॉन फाइनाइट की क्या है, इन्फिनिटिव। और इन्फिनिटिव के अंदर दो टाइप्स हैं, फर्स्ट वन इज बेयर इन्फिनिटिव एंड सेकंड वन इज टू इन्फिनिटिव। Next we are going to discuss second type of verb, that is first form plus ing of the verb. Look at some examples. She loves traveling. Second sentence is dancing is a good exercise. Third sentence is I love singing. I love singing. First of all, underline first form of the verb plus ing, that is traveling. In the second sentence, first form plus ing is dancing. In the third sentence, first form plus ing is singing. Now, which is this type of non-finite verb? Whenever first form plus ing behaves as a noun in a sentence, it is called gerund. Next type of non-finite is gerund. जब भी फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing का कोई भी फॉर्म एक नाउन की तरह बिहेव करेगा उसे हम कहेंगे gerund. सो जब भी हमने किसी सेंटेंस में नाउन फाइंड आउट करना हो तो आस्क क्वेश्चन what on the sentence you will get your noun. For example, first sentence is she loves traveling. So make a question, what does she love? The answer is traveling. So traveling is here a noun. In the second sentence, what is a good exercise? Answer is dancing. So it is a noun. In the third sentence, I love singing. What do I love? Answer is singing. So these all are nouns. Whenever first form plus ing behaves as a noun, it is called gerund. Next type of non-finite verbs. Look at another couple of sentences. First sentence is please bring me a traveling bag. Second sentence is my daughter likes dancing doll. Third sentence is what is to today's breaking news. So here first form plus ing forms are traveling, dancing and baking. So what is the idea behind it? Whenever first form plus ing behaves as an adjective in a sentence, it is called adjectival present participle. What is an adjective? Adjective means हिंदी और पंजाबी में विशेषण. विशेषण क्या होता है? जो किसी चीज को क्वालिफाई करे, जो किसी चीज की विशेषता बताए. सो जब भी फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी की फॉर्म किसी सेंटेंस में एडजेक्टिव का वर्क करेगी, एडजेक्टिव का काम करेगी, तो उसे हम कहेंगे एडजेक्टिवल प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ड्स. In the first sentence, please bring me a traveling bag. There are so many kinds of bags like school bag, laptop bag. But here we are talking only about traveling bag. So here the word traveling is qualifying the noun bag. वो bag की विशेषता बता रहा है. कौन सा bag चाहिए? Traveling bag. In the second sentence, my daughter likes dancing doll. There are many dolls, but we are here talking about dancing doll. There can be singing doll, another doll, but here we are talking about only the dancing doll. So here the word dancing is qualifying the word doll. In the third sentence, in the full day we see many kinds of news, but we are here talking about the breaking news of the day. We are talking about breaking news of today. So here breaking is qualifying the noun news. Whenever you want to find an adjective in a sentence, ask question which in a sentence you will get your adjective. First sentence, please bring me a traveling bag. We are here talking about which kind of bag? The answer is traveling bag. So traveling here is adjective. In the second sentence, which kind of doll my daughter likes? Dancing. Dancing here is an adjective. In the third sentence, we are talking about which kind of news? That is breaking. So whenever first form plus ing behaves as an adjective in a sentence, it is called adjectival present participle.